What's the meaning of casual? Casual. Casual.
Casual. Casual. Casual means relaxed, informal or not planned. It is often associated with a laid-back or easygoing attitude and can describe anything that is not formal or serious in nature. In fashion, casual attire refers to clothing that is comfortable and relaxed, rather than dressy or formal. In social situations, a casual conversation is one that is easy and informal, without any set agenda or structure. Overall, the term casual implies a lack of structure or strictness and is commonly used to describe something that is informal and relaxed.